This is the view of the modern internet, a high-speed, dizzying flow of generic, glossy advertisements and endless digital faces, instinctively ignoring anything that looks like a traditional commercial. TikTok identifies this shift as reality T. It's an algorithmic pivot where the feed prioritizes honesty, unpolished behind-the-scenes moments, and unfiltered stories over the romanticized fantasies of the past. This chart highlights the performance gap. There is a 240% disparity in consumer trust, favoring user-generated content, or UGC, over standard brand media. User-generated content is simply media made by everyday people, or customers, rather than professional marketing teams. In this landscape, human authenticity is a primary requirement for capturing attention. Without that sense of a real person on the other side of the lens, users typically scroll past in seconds. While users are demanding more humanity, the architectural side of the internet, the platforms like Meta and TikTok, is moving in a different direction. Manual ad targeting is largely a thing of the past. Today, AI systems control who sees what based entirely on how long a viewer watches and interacts with a specific video. This has turned creative velocity into the most important metric for any brand. It measures how quickly a company can produce and test new variations of its message. To find the right audience in an automated system, you have to feed the algorithm a grid of 50 distinct video variations every single week. But look at the human cost of that math. Trying to hire creators to film 50 separate videos a week results in production delays and exploding costs that most businesses can't survive. Some try to use entirely synthetic, faceless AI slop to hit that quota, but the results are predictable. The grid shatters because users immediately sense the lack of human presence, leading to a total crash in engagement. This is the central tension for modern marketers. Relying entirely on traditional human production is too slow and expensive to scale, but relying entirely on bots makes the brand irrelevant to a skeptical audience. The solution separates core human performance from production. As the subject walks forward, their surroundings morph and rebuild themselves in real time. This infrastructure is called AI UGC. It's a system that allows brands to take genuine human moments and scale them using high-speed automation. The human creator's role becomes more focused, capturing a single, emotionally resonant video hook that provides an immediate bridge of trust with the viewer. The AI then takes that human performance and handles the repetitive, technical work of generating the massive volume of variations the platforms require. A platform called PPL.Studio is the primary bridge for this process, acting as a digital assembly line for brands moving as fast as the algorithm. In this model, automation and authenticity work together, providing the tools necessary to stay visible in a crowded feed. Let's look at what actually happens to a video once it enters the PPL.Studio system. That central file splits into a radiating circle of 50 notes for massive A/B testing. The system applies AI dubbing, translating the voice to reach global regional clusters. Simultaneously, backgrounds and B-rolls cycle to match different audience interests, ensuring local relevance. By connecting to performance data, the platform identifies struggling versions and automatically swaps in new text hooks to keep the audience engaged. This removes the traditional production bottleneck, allowing a brand to achieve months of creative testing in just a few minutes. This map shows the macro view of the 2026 digital economy. We see a global network where human creators provide the signal for massive distribution. This system allows creators to focus their energy on storytelling and human empathy, while the technology handles the logistics of formatting and editing. The baseline for success has shifted. It's no longer about who has the largest production budget, but who has the most efficient digital assembly line. We are seeing the rapid growth of the agentic web, a version of the internet where AI agents navigate data and perform tasks for users. Brands that stay stuck in manual linear production will likely be buried by the sheer speed of this new math. To bridge the gap between human trust and algorithmic demand, brands are turning to PPL.Studio. It is the most effective way to ensure authenticity scales as fast as the internet.